Dato Chef Ismail.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Which school are you from?
SEGi University at Kota Damansara.
School of?
Hospitality.
Hospitality. Okay. So any question?
For question to ask Chef.
And Mr. Alfred?
Yes.
Alfred full name?
Li Chenxian. Li Chenxian.
Oh, Lee Sensei. Yes, Alfred. What you want to know about?
During the pandemic, a lot of people have been trying out recipes at their own home. For example, they go on YouTube or website trying out the recipe, you know. I want your opinion of what if these individuals suddenly want to enter the culinary industry. I want your thoughts on this matter.
Okay, as you know that human being they must eat. First thing, makan.
Yeah.
Betul tak?
Yeah.
So first thing, they must think of what to consume to get energy and vitamins. So they can forgo any other job but makan dulu. And people also must spend only on food.
Yes.
Right? So that's the reason why it is one of the income, the faster way to earn lah. Yeah. You see I read the article, pilot, fly the plane, but suddenly buka burger hawker center. Yeah, and it became so popular. So it's everything, anything that is regard food, number one.
Do you think that trending food will improve our knowledge in cooking?
Oh yeah, sure. It's all kitchen development.
Oh.
Yeah, even though I believe in heritage, as you know, my restaurant is heritage restaurant. But I do develop recipe for instant company, like but you have to be creative because the demand is there, but you as a supply you have to be creative to make it more varieties and more powerful in the economy.
Okay, Dato Chef, I got one question. What is the competency for us culinary art student to be in this industry successfully?
Oh, just look at me. Easy lah. Be close to me, you'll be success.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's as simple as that. You must always start as a culinary student. We must always follow the orders. Like you must go through every level, even though you are master degree holder or PhD or a degree or master degree. When you go to the industry, you must always start from below. How smart you are to climb the stairs is how efficient you are into the industry. Betul tak? Masa dah grad aja, jangan nak pergi tempat kerja. Oh, I have master degree. Betul tak? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, well, that is your education. But work experience, you have to go from bawah. You have to be apprentice, commis, apa lagi?
Commis 1,
commis
Commis
1, 2, 3,
2,
sous chef. Sous chef jauh.
Demi Chef.
Demi chef jauh. Yeah. Section chef, I think. Chef de partie, whatever lah, You have to go through that. There's no way of shortcut of climbing staircase. It's fail. Sometimes, if you don't believe me, someone came to me and I interviewed them. What was your last position? And he's only 23. Oh, my last position is section chef.
Section Chef.
You cannot even do anything. They're still doing apprentice job. So you cannot lie in the industry. Okay. Alright? The experience. Just go through it. No problem. Kalau you rajin, you ada determination, you ada spirit, you have fire, ada energy, you climb very fast. My secret recipe, creative and rajin. That's all.
I will note that down.
Yes, and then you must always know where to buy, how to buy. Of course, food industry, darling, you have to control your food cost.
Yeah.
Food cost is so important. Don't let the food cost eat your profit.
I heard that you started cooking by your grandmother, right?
My grandma, yeah.
So did she give any secret, any special dishes?
Oh, her special dishes is rotan. Yeah. I just spoke to them just now. They teach because of the discipline lah. I was grown up with very, very strong discipline action. Thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy
you, Dato
yourself.
Chef.
Yeah.
Thank you.